So with MariUI installed, let's go ahead and make sure that we actually redo the login page to a certain extent, and the same for the register page as well, so that it adheres to the MariUI standards. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this one here where we have the password icon as well in it. And I'm just going to go down where we have this X input for the password, and I'm going to go ahead and remove both of them there. The only thing I want to do is actually just make sure that we have the wire model from the password set up. So if we head in now, it isn't rendering, so let's see why that is. So inside the login page already, yet it doesn't seem to be rendering this. Let's just go ahead and make sure that we also use the MariUI prefix for this. So all I want to go ahead and do now is just go in and copy this component, prefix it with Mary, and we're going to use font the password in here. So if we just type in any random email, we're actually getting in the error message as well here. So let's try to remove that here. Just typing in any random given data, and that seems to work fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and make sure we implement this now for the email address as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one here. Make sure we use wire model formed email. Put in email in here. And outside of that, let's just go ahead and see what it looks like now when we obviously prefix this with Mary. There we go. So let's go ahead and you can see that it's clearly asking for details here, so the verification works in here. Let's go ahead and make sure that we put in type email, and obviously we also want to make sure that we have this one set as required, and also in here. And that's basically it for the login page. So let's go ahead and work on the register page now. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one for the password already, because we already have that implemented. Let's head into the pages here, and then let's log in to the register page. In here, what we should be able to do is essentially just replace the password field here with formed, or in this case it would just be for password, and it's just password here. So let's just replace this with password. And then password confirmation. Let's put in a placeholder here to say, please enter your password, or please confirm password. just like that. And then let's go ahead and make sure we have the input component. Again, there's already one here for the name.
Good.
And then let's copy the email one in here. And the name component, we need to make sure it uses the Mary prefix. So I'm going to go ahead and try to register a user now. And let's see if that works. And there we go. I've logged in and registered a user. If I then go ahead and log in again, and you can see it works fine. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.